Nyamakuji or healthy ginger drink. Hello, this is Armel D from Savourous. I'll be cooking some yummy food today. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel already, please do so. Let's get cooking. What we need for this juice is ginger that I'm having my kids peel, pineapple, and lime, and some optional sugar. I'm having my kids peel the ginger. I am chopping my pineapple to have it ready for the juicer. Yeah, I'm using a juicer today because I have one laying around that I need to test, so I'm using it. Otherwise, I usually just blend it in my food processor and then sieve it with a cloth. This Gnamakoudji drink has a tremendous health benefit. My grandma will always make it for us, especially during cold time. The drink is known to help reduce pain, inflammation. It helps ease heartburn. It's also known to prevent and treat cold, tonsillitis, and help reduce hair loss. One of the benefits that I like most is it helps with weight loss by curbing your appetite and help you burn fat because of the thermogenic effect it has when you drink it. The detail for this recipe is in the description box along with measurement and everything, and feel free to adjust it to your taste. And please don't forget to support me by liking this video, share it when possible, and comment if you can. I love you guys and keep watching. The first time I was introduced to this drink was when I was like 5 with one of my maternal aunts in Ivory Coast, and I just loved it. I just loved it, and it is very popular over there. It's a very popular drink in the street of Ivory Coast, and it is called Nyamakuji. So good and so healthy. Once done juicing all the pineapple and the ginger, I just mix all the juice together, dilute it a little bit with water according to your personal preference, and maybe add some sugar per taste. Lime juice is very important to be added to this. The acidity of the lime gives this drink a great kick and an added healthy benefit. Alors voilà mon jus de gingembre que j'ai fait aujourd'hui à ma façon. Merci pour mes amis ivoiriens et burkinabés qui m'ont fait tester ce jus premièrement. Je vous adore et voilà, j'espère que vous allez tenter ma façon de le faire aussi. Je vous embrasse et n'oubliez pas de vous abonner si vous ne l'avez pas déjà fait et liker la vidéo. Bisous! Now that my drink is ready, you can enjoy it chill. I love drinking it warm too, especially in cold season. What I love about this drink is it's very versatile. You can add hibiscus to it, or pineapple juice, vanilla sugar, or mint leaves. For me, I'm not adding sugar this time, so I'm just using pineapple juice, and hopefully the sweetness of that pineapple will sweeten enough my juice. So make sure your pineapple is sweet enough. If not, just add some sweetener that is healthy for you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll be talking to you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.